yun dito sa hotel. Ayoko talaga ah.
Meron akong pagagawa sa iyong misyon.
May misyon dito sa hotel? Anong misyon dito sa hotel?
Kilala mo ba si David Archuleta? Si David Cook?
Sure ah?
Ayun, ito ang misyon mo. Una, pasimpleng hahawakan ang dulo ng manggas ng damit. Kayang bang gawin yan?
Dulo lang ah?
Dulo lang. Pasimpleng aamuin ang pabango. Ay, banda dito lang ha.
Okay.
Kailangan mapasabi mo pareho sa kanila, I love you.
I love you agad? Nasasabihin?
Yes.
Ang hirap-hirap naman
Kaya?
lang.
Hindi mo kaya?
Ang hirap
Hindi mo kaya.
Bakit ano bang nangyayari?
Pag nagawa mo yan, ito ang premyo mo. Meron kang libreng kiss galing kay Cook.
Gagawin ko na! Gagawin ko na!
Hello, I'm Eugene. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you alright? Okay, alright.
Okay. Okay.
Have you eaten? Oh, you know what? I'm so excited to talk to you now because I really miss you. You don't remember me? We went to the same high school. Yeah.
In the Philippines?
Now in the U.S.
Where are you at?
We studied in U.S. elementary school. And we learned the word Mr. David Cook.
Yeah.
Is that true? How close are you?
I don't know.
Okay, maybe shares one thing that we don't know about him. This is the time.
It's on camera.
Are you gonna whisper? Okay, what's one thing you can share about David?
Oh, I don't really have anything like that.
You
I don't-
Oh, you smell good.
Me?
Really? Can you smell me?
Vanessa.
Yeah?
Yeah, how do I smell? You know, I just ate, you know what, as much as possible, I want to be serious about this interview. I don't want to waste your time. I want to ask questions that have meaning. So, are you single? Oh my God, I'm single too. Yeah, do you want to be double? Yes, in these times of economic challenge and, you know, the plight of the artists are also challenged by circumstances brought about by, what do you like in a girl?
A sense of humor and a lot of money.
Do you know, I just came from the bank and I was laughing on the way to the bank and from the bank because, you know, my bank book, yeah, it's like close to a million. Yeah. Physically, what do you want to see?
Short, brown hair. Maybe,
How short?
well, yeah,
How short? Do you have scissors?
I'm just off the cuff.
Okay,
black shoes. Maybe some sort of like a metallic headband. Again, just rhythm.
The meaning of this! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah, congratulations, because you know you're very successful and you're very famous here in our country, and it's really an honor for me to be just in front of you. This is the highlight of my life. Thank you very much. And do you know that, what do you say to a person when for example, I say I love you too? What do you have to say? So I would say
I say I love you back.
Oh, you smell really good. You smell me.
So she was
You smell me.
Maybe
Oh my God, what kind?
15 minutes for that.
Okay, you guys do it faster because we have to smell each other. Okay, seriously now. Oh my God, thank you. You're such a good sport.
Tuwang-tuwa ako dahil napanood ko lahat eh.
Napanood mo ba?
Napanood mo lahat. Halatang ano ko eh, ang landi.
Kinakabahan ako. Pero talagang sinulfil ko yung mission kasi meron kang pinramis.
Oo nga pala. Yung kiss mo galing kay...
Oo, kasi nagpigil-pigil talaga ako kanina, ha? Galing kay Cook, kay David Cook.
Nagawa mo.
Nakausap mo ba siya?
Oo. Sinabi ko rin sa kanya na yun nga, pag nagawa mo yung mission, kailangan i-kiss ka niya. Kaya, ready ka na ba?
Totoo ba to?
Ready ka na, dahil aakyat na siya sa room. Saan ba gusto? Dito o sa room?
Dito na lang. Dito na lang, alay.
Okay, pikit mo muna yung mata mo.
Sandali, rubang mo ba ako? May mo nga.
Mapahi. Teka, ano, ready ka na?
Ready
Tawagin
ako.
mo na.
Kikisa ka ni David ko.
Kaya lang, close mo yung eyes mo.
Okay
Para,
lang.
di ba mas masarap yung feeling pag naka-close yung eyes para surprise? Ito ha, tatawagin ko na.
Mr. Cook!
Yan na, yan. Mr. Cook!
Mr. Cook!
Mr. Cook!
Mr. Cook!
Mr. Cook, I told you earlier, you kiss her, okay?
Oh,
And where do you want it? Lips to lips? Huh?
Slowly.
Slowly.
Yes.
Slowly here. Okay? Go.
Sila guard.
Ano to? Sino to? Sino? Si David Cook ka ba? Ha? Si David Cook ka?
Sabi mo si Cook. After it. Ha?
Ba? Sino?
Jerry.
Oh, ano ka? Ba't mo ko inaalikan? Cook ka! Ano ngayon sa cook ka? Wala ka? Ito na yan!
Producer.
Oh, you are the producer!